Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying clearances and gathering the vertical bracket and a PCIe X 1690 degrees riser. Remove the side panel, and once done, temporarily position the GPU to confirm clearance with the CPU cooler and front intake. Make sure the riser cable reaches the slot without tight bends. Cable routing determines neatness and signal integrity. Label screws and keep the case horizontal for now. This first setup avoids surprises and speeds the later installation steps. Next, install the vertical bracket into the expansion slots and secure it tightly to the chassis. A loose bracket causes stress on the card. Carefully insert the riser cable into the motherboard PCIe X16 slot, pressing straight down until it clicks. Once the riser is seated, gently slot the GPU into the riser connector, aligning screw holes with the bracket. Tighten bracket screws evenly to avoid torque. While you work, watch for cable interference with fans and confirm the card is level and supported. Finish by fully fastening the GPU to the vertical bracket and attaching all required 6/8-pin PCIe power cables. Make sure connectors click into place. Close the case enough to power on, then boot to BIOS or your OS to confirm the card is recognized and temperatures are normal. If you encounter no signal or instability, power down, reseat the riser and GPU, and recheck power connectors and slot alignment. One key troubleshooting tip: swap to the original horizontal slot temporarily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.